Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Cyber Crypto. I am here today with a new review video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. Today in this video, I will be highlighting the properties of a new token and the wallet hold of Crisio stake system. And I will tell you how and where to buy it. So this is the website. You will be seeing this sort of interface, Crisio, the entire crypto ecosystem in a single platform. It has access to DeFi exchange and platform secure environment with multiple exchange trading tools. You can now purchase your XCREs from GemonSwap as well. We will be talking about how to purchase the XCREs later in the video. First, we will looking at the website. It on multiple exchanges and DeFi platforms. You can read this information. Everything is available in detail on their website. So where you can trade through Crisio. It is got Binance, Coinbase Pro, Bittrex, GemonSwap, Uniswap, and PancakeSwap. Their principal functions: multiple exchange, their signs, financial reports, programmable alert, market information, and arbitrage, programmable operations. And you can choose your plan from free, which is $0 to a premium of $50. There is a unique pieces of XCRE for XCRE's holders. This is very important that these items are uniquely available for XCRE's holder. The NFTs will be distributed in two ways: through a lottery among all the Crisio holders and through bidding on their marketplace. To participate in the draw for Crisio NFT card, it is very necessary to be registered in the Crisio NFT holder system in the user's control panel and have all at least a percentage of the XCREs received on December 20 in the wallet, or be holder of the old Crisio token with a minimum of 500,000 CRES. They have bronze card, silver card, and gold card. So first draw, second draw, and third draw. There are some requirements to acquire Crisio NFT charter in the marketplace, and the requirements are it is only necessary to buy enough XCREs to bid on the marketplace, and the tokens used to pay the card will be burned. Requirement to activate a Crisio NFTs later. You must contain in the wallet where the NFT sent a minimum of 3,000 XCREs, 15,000 XCREs, and 30,000 XCREs, bronze, silver, and gold respectively. You may be registered in at least one of the Crisio stake systems: gold, platinum, and bronze. NFT gold card available units. The details are given below. Later NFT silver, bronze NFT later, and stake deliveries. You are in total control from your Crisio account. Access to the control panel is free, and you can access the XCRE's balance of your account among other functions. These are some of the XCRE token details: token name, abbreviation, total supply, ILO phase 1, phase 2, list prices, hard cap and soft cap as well. The general description we will be looking at is that if you want, you can read this given detail. Here is some of the benefits of the token, XCRE token. Here is XCRE token distribution is just like this. Fund allocation: 51% LP sales contract, 20% ILO pre-sale, 12% wallet hold APY, 8% swap CRES, 6% Crisio team, and 2% D-Rate, 1% farming contract, and 1% will go to the exchange. What is wallet hold? It is the stake system of Crisio by which you will receive a stake first year, and similarly stake second year, and liquidity contract LP Crisio. These are some of the figures that you might be interested to look at in. There is roadmap that has been given on what they are doing and what are they planning to do in the future and what they have achieved so far. There are frequent questions given as well as to help you out collaborates. There is a whole of team that has been working for your convenience. Here are press release. So okay, let me tell you how to buy the XCREs. If you go right at the top of the website, there is a red button seeing buy XCRE. You can now purchase your XCREs from Gemonswap. Just click on this button buy XCRE. It will take you to Gemonswap website. Just simply this metric here, you can choose anyone you would like to have. Just put down the value. As for example, I do 100 and you have to select the currency as XCRE. Just tap here XCRE and it will automatically convert it for you. So 100 metric is equal to 6765. What you have to do next is just connect the wallet and you are good to go. So don't forget to buy it, hold it and earn and buy it again. So that's it in this video. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.